What's going on, everyone? This is the Faceless Hobo, and I'm gonna be honest today and say that you don't look amazing. But that's a good thing. I don't want you to look amazing. That's a lot of work and still not achievable. What I want you to be is the best version of yourself. And I want to help you guys reach that stage, especially now that you are in your house doing nothing and meeting nobody. I want you to look your best the next time you meet your friends or quite possibly your crush. And so today, I want to talk to you guys about the 6 things that you can start doing this instant. So let's hop into it. The first thing you need to do this instant to look hotter is to drink more water. This is the simplest thing anyone can do, but fails to do so because they simply forget it. Your body is at least 70% water. Drinking water helps in improving your skin, your hair, your body, as well as your mind. You should drink at least 2 liters of water every day to look and feel healthy. Drinking water will also cause you to go to bathroom more. This helps a lot in filtering out the toxins from your body. The next tip is for those days when you want to go out for some occasion and you realize that your hair is too greasy. That is the worst feeling. Not only does it look bad, you also cannot do anything about it since taking care of it means you'll have to wash and style your hair all over again. The reason your hair is too greasy is because it contains too much oil. And the only way to tackle this is to use something that can absorb these oil. The best thing you can use in this situation is a talc, or any powder for that matter. Talc is a great way to absorb these oils and also give you a textured hair. But the downside of using too much talc is that it weighs down your hair, causing you not to get that volume you desire. The best solution for this problem is to use baby powder. Baby powder works just like the talc, but since it's lighter, it does not weigh down the hair as much as talc does. The third thing you can do right now is to brush twice a day. I know this is a no-brainer, but people still just brush in the morning. Your mouth contains all the food stuff and junk you ate throughout the day, and by leaving them on while you sleep not only damages your teeth but can also affect your health. Brushing twice a day also makes sure that you don't have to worry about bad breath. The fourth thing you can do this instant to look hotter is wear a signature cologne. People judge you not only by the way you look but also by the way you smell. The scent is important in describing a person, so it's really important that you smell good. Smelling good not only makes you look more attractive but also makes people remember you more vividly. The fifth thing you need to do this instant is read more books. It doesn't matter what you read. It could be a novel, a self-help book, or even a comic. Reading opens up your mind. It also helps you in being more creative. But I know how hard it is to take some time out of your busy schedule to read. So you can also go for an audiobook or a podcast. The most important thing you need to remember is that you should not waste even a single day not learning anything new. It doesn't matter if you read out just one page or listen to just 10 minutes of the podcast. The fact that you know more than you did yesterday is the sign that you are getting better every day. And the sixth thing you need to do this instant to look and feel better is talk to yourself. Talking to myself every day for a few minutes has been proven really beneficial for me. I'm more confident, more creative, and I can communicate better. Talking to yourself has also been proven to improve your intellect. In fact, most of the ideas for my video comes when I'm just by myself. And that's basically it. These are my top 6 things every guy needs to do this instant to look and feel better. If you like this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and become a part of the Faceless community. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.